How to log in OKX application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you have an existing account for OKX and you'd like to log into it, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the OKX application on your mobile device. Once you have done it, from the welcome screen, click on the login button at the bottom left. Now, you can go ahead and enter your phone number or your email in the first field as soon as you see this page. If you previously signed up using Google, Apple, or Telegram, you can go ahead and choose the same from the bottom. Since I used my email or phone number option, I'm gonna have to type in the phone number. So once you go ahead and type in your phone number, click on Next. On the next page, you'll need to type in your login password. If you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions. But if you do, type it down in the login password section. Finally, click on Login. Now, you'll receive a 6-digit verification code sent to your phone number or your email. Go ahead and type it down in the text box. Right after you do that, you will be able to log into your existing OKX account using the OKX application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.